everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Sentro 32-pin, otherwise known as the Mushroom House, upgrade kit from Grumpy Head Designs on Etsy. The tools that you'll need for installation are the contents of the upgrade kit, a long skinny Phillips head screwdriver, and it is recommended that you have Vaseline or white lithium grease on hand. To begin, we'll need to get inside our machine. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove all 6 screws from around the machine, then gently pull the pieces apart to expose the existing gear and crank. Remove the 2 screws and the plate keeping it in place, and then gently take out the old gear and crank. Remove the gear from the crank by popping out the center circle and removing the screw. You may have to get a flathead screwdriver or pointed edge tool and work it between the circle and handle to get it to pop off. It may look like it's part of the handle, but keep working at it and it will come off. Detach the gear from the crank by first removing the screw and then gently twisting the gear to loosen the glue. Replace the old gear with the new gear using the hex key tool provided. Add lubricant to both the existing gear teeth and new gear and place in the machine where the previous part was located. Reattach the plate that holds the part in place. Add the 2 ring alignment blocks to the inside of the machine by placing them like this and pushing them snugly in place. Now it's time to close up your machine. Gently slide the inside piece on one side so it fits snugly into place. Careful not to give too much pressure or you may damage your machine. Now, take the other piece and follow the same steps as before. The front and back pieces should easily fit together. Reattach all 6 screws around your machine and you're done!